Healing nail fungus, your #1 hindrance. For some, it's quite easy to get rid of nail fungus. They spray them once with some pharmaceuticals or put an oil on it and it's gone. For others, it seems to be a never-ending struggle. And nothing seems to work. So what is it that's blocking you from successfully treat your nail fungus? A new study published in the Australasian Journal of Dermatology reveals a single factor that may define who succeeds and who doesn't when it comes to nail fungus. The researchers knew that few studies have examined the factors that facilitate or hinder a complete nail fungus cure in older people. They wanted to close this gap in the research. They recruited 95 upper middle-aged and elderly people who had been diagnosed with nail fungus during 2016 and 2017. All of them were older than 60. They collected demographic data on age, sex, income, and so on. They also reviewed the treatments that their subjects received, along with the time it took to achieve a complete cure. They reached 3 interesting conclusions. 1. The complete cure rate for people above age 70 was much lower than for those below age 70, 44.9% versus 67.4%. 2. Those whose nails were thicker than 2 mm (0.078 inches), were less likely to achieve a complete cure. 3. The oldest people had a high risk of side effects from the use of systemic antifungal drugs, those taken by mouth. The good news is that if you try the natural way to tackle your nail fungus, you won't suffer any side effects. Plus, older people are just as successful as younger people to rid themselves of fungus this way. Thousands of viewers have already used the natural steps explained on the description to permanently rid themselves of nail fungus.